So, you're using GetResponse, but that little logo keeps showing up on your emails and landing pages. You want your brand to stand out, not theirs. In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to remove the GetResponse logo, plus a few things they don't tell you up front. And if you stick around, I'll share a much better alternative with a free trial that doesn't force branding on your emails. First, let's get straight to it. If you're on the free or lower tier plans, GetResponse doesn't let you remove their branding. It's locked behind their paid plans. If you're on a basic plan or higher, here's what to do. Go to your landing page settings or email settings, depending on where you see the logo. Look for the branding or footer settings. This is usually hidden in an advanced section. Uncheck the GetResponse branding option and save. If you don't see this, it means you're still on a free plan and upgrading is the only way to remove it. Next thing, asterisk asterisk, is it really worth upgrading just to remove a logo? Asterisk asterisk, well, that depends. GetResponse is solid for email marketing, but there are some trade-offs. Their automation is decent but clunky, and if you're sending a lot of emails, their deliverability isn't the best compared to competitors. Plus, once you move up to higher tier plans, it gets expensive fast, so you're paying more, and they still push their branding unless you upgrade further. The fourth thing, if you're looking for a platform that doesn't force branding on you at all, there are better options. Some email marketing tools give you full customization, even on free plans, and offer better deliverability and automation without the limitations. And that's where my recommended alternative comes in. I've linked an exclusive and extended free trial in the description that gives you way more control over your branding, plus some amazing alternatives depending on what you need. These offers are only available through my link, so check it out before signing up for anything else.